What are you digging at now, buddy?
I'm breaking up shoes.
All right, look at that bucket. Wow.
Welcome to JackJackPlays.
What do you got today, Jack?
Like a front loader.
A front loader? What kind of front loader? Do you remember?
An easy one.
Oh yeah, easier than our other one. Kids, this is a Bruder Liebherr front loader. And Jackie, what are we gonna do with it?
Open it.
All right, rip into it, buddy. You can do it, Jack. Here it comes. Here it comes. All right, Jack, let's check out this truck.
Look. Okay, it's stuck.
I bet you can just pull that right off. There's no twisty ties. You could do it. You could do it. Whoa. Cool. Is this a wheeled or a track loader?
Wheels.
It's wheeled. How do you know?
Well.
It's got wheels?
Yeah.
All right, let's check this thing out. Oh, Jack learned how to lower it. Can you tell the kids what you're doing?
I'm scooping up the old stuff.
Oh, he can't wait. Is this gonna be the first dump? Nice. Jack, tell the kids how this works. Show them the levers.
This lever makes this go down.
Wow, oh, and there's another lever. Yeah.
It makes this go down.
Yeah, we have a bigger Caterpillar front loader from Bruder, but it's pretty tough for Jack to figure out how to use. It's pretty hard for Daddy to do it, but this works right away.
This is just the one for the job.
I know it is. Cool.
Look, it can reach to the top.
Yeah, it sure can. All right, let's see this.
How down is that?
Yeah. All right, kids, would you like to be here digging with Jack? I bet you would. Look at that thing. It's Jack, is that an articulated truck? Look how the wheels turn.
Yeah.
Wow. Oh, awesome. Good sound effects, Jack. Wow. All right, kids, you see how Jack pulled the lever to lower the bucket? Nice. All right, the truck is turning. Jack has got it turning. There it goes. It's going to the hopper of our dump truck that fell apart. Look at it go. It's lifting up. It's lifting up. Kids, can you see that? Wow. Good sound effects, Jack. Nice one.
That was like a real front loader.
Sure did. All right, look at that bucket. Wow. Oh, you got a scoop. Nice. Dump her in.
Reaching the top.
Excellent.
We have to fill all of that stuff.
All right, we'll fill her up.
You know, you have to pull this lever with it to go up and down. Kids, do you think this is a good toy?
I bet they do. Jack, do you think it's a good toy?
Yeah.
Yeah, is this way better than our other front loader?
Yeah.
Way more usable.
It's way.
There it goes. You know, the only thing, Jackie, that I don't like about the Liebherr trucks is that the wheels are just kind of cheap and plastic. But that's the only thing. They have really great detail. They work really well. The only thing is some of the bigger, more expensive ones have better tires or tracks. But this is much better for actually playing.
Toys are expensive.
Yeah, toys can be expensive. That is right.
Toys, all the toys are. I broke up some concrete here.
Cool, show the kids.
See these concrete chunks.
Yeah, they see it.
I made it concrete, so I know here.
Jackie, what kind of truck are you using right now?
I'm using a bulldozer.
And what are you trying to do with that bulldozer?
I'm trying to push all the sand for the front loader.
Oh, you're making a pile that the front loader is going to collect. Nice. Do the tracks work on that bulldozer?
Yeah, if you pull, they work.
Really?
Yeah.
Let's look. Oh, kids, do you see that? See, the tracks moved? They move very fast, so maybe it's hard to tell. Oh, I could tell that time. And did you just lower the rippers?
To loosen up all this earth.
Oh, to loosen up the earth.
Something that I collect is this.
You're collecting that? What do you mean, the kind of toys you like to collect? Or are you collecting dirt?
I'm collecting dirt.
Oh, the important stuff. You know, I think we like dirt better than the toys themselves, right, Jack?
Yeah.
Yeah, it doesn't matter what digging toys we have fun in dirt.
I know all kinds of bugs and trucks.
Bugs and trucks?
I know.
What a great combination. What's your favorite truck, Jack?
Front loader.
A front loader? Oh, today it is. And what's your favorite bug?
Caterpillar.
A caterpillar. Well, I don't have any of those to play with today. Sorry. Oh, we've got a mighty scoop. That's a really good one, Jack. Now lift her up. Might need to use your other hand too to help with the lever. There you go. Lock it into position. Cool. It's so heavy you have to hold down the back of the truck. It's not heavy enough. All right. Are you going to dump it in?
It's heavy.
Yeah, that's because it's a mighty load.
See how these?
Whoa, we had an accident. We'll have to scoop it again.
I know why I can make a pile so that I can do it like this.
Oh, like a ramp?
Yeah, so I can go higher.
Oh, great idea, Jack.
I dumped that on purpose.
No, you didn't, Sally. It was an accident. But a useful accident, right?
Yeah, because that makes it was good.
Yeah.
Alright? Let's make a ramp. On a mighty load?
No, it's a medium-sized load, but is that a mighty machine?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's very mighty. There's a good view of all the levers that the kids can use. All right, what's next, Jack?
The bulldozer.
Uh-oh, bulldozer time. There it goes.
It's not uh-oh because we love bulldozers.
We do love bulldozers, don't we?
Yeah, because they push stuff.
Are bulldozers powerful?
Yeah,
Super powerful.
because they have rippers.
Yeah, and big engines and tracks.
I ripped up all this.
Oh yeah, kids, look how he ripped through there. It loosened up the dirt. Great job, Jack.
This is like a real bulldozer.
Yeah, it's just like one. Yeah, it's really, really good detail on it. This one's a caterpillar dozer. See those words on the side? What word does that say, Jack?
Caterpillar.
Yeah, well, it's the abbreviation. It says cat. Well, except for the front, it really does say caterpillar.
Caterpillar.
Caterpillar, you're right.
Why does it say cat on the side?
Because it's an abbreviation of caterpillar. Wow, look at that. Kids, can you see in the dirt? Look at all those patterns in the dirt. Hey, Jack, do you know what all those patterns are in the dirt?
Mud.
Well, what's those patterns in the mud that look like little lines?
Uh,
They're footprints from geese. A lot of geese walk through here. That means there's a lot of poop around, although today it's actually not bad. You lifting? Yeah, that's a pretty mighty load, Jack. Good one.
Well, this time we have to scoop up a rock.
All right, let's take a look at this rock. Whoa, there it is, kids. He's got it in the bucket. It's in the bucket. Look at it, kids. It's in the bucket. Do you think you can lift it up?
Yeah.
I think Jack can. Do you think it'll stay?
Yes.
Let go of it, Jack, and see what happens. Oh, it's balancing, but barely, right? Look, Jack spins the wheel, and it's not really touching the ground. It's really balanced on the front wheel. There it is. Tipping, tipping, tipping. Boom.
What, is that funny?
Oh, do you think the kids think it's funny? I bet they do. Look at that silly thing. I'll bring it in closer so you can really see. Look! Is it like a transformer? No? Is it an Autobot or a Decepticon, Jack?
A Decepticon.
Oh, it's an evil front loader?
No, it's not.
Oh, it's a good one. Bonk. Try that again, Jack. Bonk, it rolled.
Look at this front loader.
Do you think Molly's interested in front loaders?
No.
No, she just wants to be pet or fed. That's her main motivations. What are you digging at now, buddy?
I'm breaking up chunks.
Breaking up chunks? Sweet. That looks awesome. Uh-oh, they're gonna tip out.
You know why? Because it didn't have enough weight. This truck is going to another site.
Another site? How is it gonna get there?
By this truck.
Oh, you're loading them on top of a truck. Nice, I think you have to lift the bucket. That looks good, Jack. Just balance them on there.
Like this?
Yeah, there it is. Great idea. Look at that, kids. There it goes.
Well, the back wheel's spinning.
Oh yeah, because it's touching the bottom wheels. Oh, he's down in the muck. But did you see that back wheel spin, kids? Nice. Here it comes. Oh, I think he's gonna fall off. Or is he at the new site?
Not at the new site. Then I'm gonna show you something cool. Ready, set, go.
Uh-oh, what happened? You dumped some of the dirt onto the cockpit? Or into where the driver goes? Can you see that, kids? Jack made a mess. Oh, there it went right down.
You know why? Because I don't think I'm supposed to be at this site.
Oh, you're at the wrong site. Well, Jack, it's getting a little bit dark here, so I think it's time for us to say goodbye to the kids. What would you like to tell them?
Bye, kids. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe.
All right, bye, kids. See you next time.